If you have blood type O and would like to reduce your likelihood of candidiasis, schizophrenia, bipolar, Parkinson's disease, and leaky gut, then stay tuned because I have the list of foods that you need in order to achieve your best health. In a previous video, I referenced the book Eat Right for Your Type by Dr. Peter D'Adamo to explain how blood types evolved over time from type O to type A, B, and AB. You can check that video out in the card above or in the description below. In that video, I explained how blood type O's are on the opposite end of the diet spectrum than blood type A's, since they favor meat over vegetables and carbohydrates as their main source of food. Although vegetables and carbohydrates are part of the blood type O diet. Since type O's have a high level of stomach acid, they're able to break down and consume that meat faster and easier than blood type A's. Dr. D'Adamo noted in his book that the O in blood type O stands for old, because type O's were the first type to be studied. In another place in the book, he says that O stands for zero, denoting zero antigen, which are chemical markers on the cells. Since type O's have zero antigens, this means that they're the universal blood type and can be given to any other blood type who may need a blood transfusion. In my opinion, the people who are pushing the carnivore diet are likely blood type O, and they benefit from this diet because that's what their blood type needs. It needs a lot of meat, but they don't realize that they're blood type O. So the advice that they're sharing to others based on their own personal experience does not help everyone, just the blood type O's that they're talking to. Now, the problem comes in when those other people that they're talking to don't know that they're another blood type and that they shouldn't do this diet because it's not the best for their health. Type O's use animal protein to support muscle formation and for preparing for high levels of physical activity, as if they're going on a hunting trip. Remember, the original type O's were hunters and gatherers. The popular diets of ketogenic, carnivorism, paleo, and Atkins diets are all similar to the animal-based diets that blood type O's should eat. Since everything we eat creates a chemical reaction with our blood, whether good or bad, it is best to eat food that our individual blood type genes find favorable. That means that our lectins like the food. And yes, our bodies have lectins, just like food has lectins. And our lectins won't mark that food as a foreign invader and signal to the immune system to try to destroy it. With that said, there are foods that are considered ketogenic and carnivore that blood type O's should not eat. When they eliminate these foods, their health improves. Now I will share with you a list of popular foods for blood type O. As Dr. D'Adamo does in his book, Eat Right for Your Type, I will categorize the food into groups of highly beneficial, neutral, and avoid. Here is a list of the highly beneficial foods you should eat if you're blood type O. A majority of your diet should consist of these foods: beef muscle, beef heart, beef liver, beef tongue, bison, lamb, venison, cod, olive oil, walnuts, black-eyed peas, artichoke flour, kale, onions, bananas, green tea, kelp, and horseradish. Now I have the list of neutral foods for blood type O. These foods are allowed sometimes and won't negatively affect your health: chicken, salmon, butter, sesame oil, almonds, black beans, oatmeal, beets, dates, almond milk, basil, stevia. And lastly, here's the list of foods that type O should avoid. You should eliminate these foods from your diet altogether: pork, catfish, dairy milk, coconut oil, cashews, lentils, any type or form of wheat, corn, oranges, coffee, black pepper, white pepper, cornstarch. So here are some key takeaways. Blood type O's are the ones who are better suited for the carnivore diet since they have higher levels of stomach acid than all other blood types. Remember that to eat in partnership with your body and to improve your health, eat foods that match your blood type. If you would like a full list of the foods that blood type O's should eat and should not eat, use the link below to grab your own copy of the book Eat Right for Your Type. Now, your homework is to figure out what your blood type is, because you could be a type A on a carnivore diet, which could be damaging your health. In the description of this video, find the link to a blood typing test kit that is easy, gives you instant results, and is under $10. Also, check out this quick step-by-step tutorial on how to take the blood type test that I have linked below as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future video updates. See you in my next video.